Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos, and if you're liking these videos, hit the subscribe button to be part of the Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 for trainings and all those. For the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, only for learning and bonding, not everyday learning or calls, for lifetime learning and bonding and thinking, then you can open your account in Zerodha, Upstock, or Angel Broking, Alice Blue. So these are the 4 accounts you can open and be part of my secret Telegram channel. So in this particular video, we will be looking how I took advantage in options trading because equity trading was going sideways. So that's what I told in my Telegram channel, also in secret Telegram channel. Market is going sideways, we can't take much advantage. So therefore I took some advantage in options trading in my angel trading account. So therefore you can see how I took the advantage. So if you see today, the time is around 10:31 and it's a Friday, and Nifty is 0.02 neutral according to us. And if I look at the graph also, the market has opened somewhere where it closed. There's no much gap up or gap down happening over here. It's a normal opening. From here again, what happened, the market just went up and came down. So it is in going sideways. You see, this is the morning range, and in this morning range only the market is still staying in the whole range. If I even apply a 30 minutes range just to understand, you see this, it is not even trading outside of the 30 minutes range. So market is still sideways. So taking advantage during this situation is a little bit difficult in the stock. Maybe the movements will not be that great as predicted. The stock may go down and come up opposite to us and again come down. So it's going to be too much trouble. So along with that, what we will do, we will look into a few options, because during this time, if market is going sideways, you can take advantage on options. Not much, maybe on options put if it is options put is going up, the negative side. So let's go to market data and let's go to derivative markets. Okay, so top 20 contracts for the day is index options bank Nifty. So put options of strike price 22,000. Last price is 187.45. In stock options, what is going on? So Reliance is going on for a strike price of 2,400. September expiry date, 24th September expiry date. So that is one thing which is there over here. So if you see, I've just added bank Nifty September put options in 22,000 strike price over here. This is the graph, put options. So if market is going sideways or if it is falling, put option goes up. And Reliance, if you see, Reliance not that great. I know it is the top traded, but it is also going sideways because maybe the stock is also not exactly reacting to it. So maybe I think bank Nifty is the best option in this particular example. So if you see, I've just added in angel broking, in our angel broking practice account. So I have applied bank Nifty. So 6 lots I have taken on intraday basis. I have just taken a small amount, right? So I'm just trading 6 lots. And we bought it around 206.07. As and when we were watching the market over here, we just try to take the trade over here just to get the spike. It is very volatile. It will go up and down very fast. So you need to be very careful, or else you need to set your target and keep. Meanwhile, my market stays same. So the market is still going sideways. So most of the stock would be impacted with this. Okay, so you see Sun TV is also going sideways. Let's see Tata Motors. Okay, Tata Motors is also going almost sideways. They are not just falling or just going up, so they all are staying sideways. So if you see, I have averaged out with 2 more lots. If you see, so it was 6, I took more 2. So I added more 2 around 196.32 when it went down. So yes, just averaging out whenever it goes down, so that whenever it pops up, I'll book my profit. Okay, so it's very volatile. It comes up and goes down. So it's better I set my target and keep it. So maybe let's say 5 rupees or 10 rupees based on the movement. Currently it is going a bit sideways, so not much advantage. So I have to leave some time. The time is still 11:51. So a lot of reactions come later part during the day, because after 12 o'clock you see a lot of time the market keeps falling. So if that continues, then this put options has a tendency to go up a lot. So that one advantage is there on put options. So I'm just waiting for the opportunity. All right, so if you see, it has finally hit our target. So I had set my target because I was in my personal training class which I had. So soon after the class, I had set my target. So now I think it finally hit. I got a pop-up. So it has jumped up to 254 also, but I just kept 220 as my target. So it has hit the target. Trade book. So I had set 220 as my limit order and I just left it because like after 12 o'clock, you know, when the market falls or something, this will spike up. So I just set my target because if again I miss, it will go up and come down. And it's an intraday trade, so hardly I've put some 14 to 15,000 only in this trade. You got multiple times money in angel broking. So it's an intraday trade, so I have to close by 3:30. I can't hold my position or carry forward it. So therefore I just put 220 and I just left it. So my buy average was 203. If you see, so 203 was my average and 220. So almost 16 to 17 rupees I have hit. So if I say 16 rupees also to 8% 8% profit. Okay, 8% profit on the premium value, but on my, if I see on my overall capital, almost 15,000 I've used in this trade. If it has gone further down, I would have averaged out and I would have added more money. But what I saw over here is it has given 3,200, so close to 20%, 20-25% profit on my capital in this particular practice trade in options. Because you know, today Nifty is still going plus and minus. It's still in neutral zone. So it started here, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up and came down. So that's what I told in my Telegram also. Market is sideways and it is Friday, and it is not, there is no much advantage in the market. So normally in equity stocks, I didn't go to take much advantage, not much seen. But like you know, because the market is going sideways, the put options will have an advantage. It has a tendency to go up because the market most of the time after 12 o'clock goes negative. So with that hope, I took an advantage and finally I hit the target and it is trading above our target already. So that was a quick trade. I didn't have much time to record because I have my classes. Again, I have a class, so I will finish off this video and I edit it later part of the day. So thank you so much for watching. Yes, we will try to do more videos and more learning videos. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.